Now, for others of you, this could be the past person definitely coming back. They want a reconciliation with you. You know this is your person. You guys have this soul connection, whether it's this person, I mean, I have soulmate here, but I'm picking up some of you guys, this is a twin flame connection, you know, and I feel like there's going to be a lot of flirting, a lot of cheesing, you know, all that stuff, like y'all just going to be having fun, because this caught my eye. Somebody's going through a tower moment. So, yeah, somebody's realizing something, and I saw flipping the deck, they're putting it into a third party, so ooh, let's see. Either which way, I am picking up. If you guys haven't met someone, I feel like you're getting ready to. But let's just see. Let's see how this plays out. Okay, Spirit. What's going on with Aquarius? Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, 8 of Cups. See what I'm saying? Somebody doesn't want you to walk away. Let's see. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. And there's the King of Cups, but it's like this person, they're realizing, they're listening to their intuition. They know that they want to have a reconciliation with you. I feel like something was shown. They're being pushed to come towards you. That's them realizing their truth, and now they're upset. Why? Back and forth. Because, see, they broke your heart. There was definitely some type of third-party situation, and the way that card came out, that's letting me know they're not happy. There's still someone or individuals around this person that they need to break free from. And I feel like they're working on it, but they haven't 100% released themselves. They haven't freed themselves. But they're doing it, you know, because I see them walking away, but this person's still going through it. But let's see. Yeah. This person, they want happiness with you. Clarify the sun. Yep, and that's why they're realizing they don't... Ooh, I just heard something. Okay, let me not jump. This person wants happiness with you, and they do not want you to cut them off. So, I just see... Oh, my God, I'm seeing 2 men. Okay, so hold on. Because what I just heard, this person had a dream or some type of epiphany. You two are supposed to have a child together. That's what I just heard. There's a child that's waiting to be born here. Oh, but hold on. That's for those of you that want to have a child with this person. But you see how I have 2 men? And y'all know how I feel about my court cards. It could be 2 women, depending on your situation. But this person, I'm telling you, somebody was shown something. Because remember I told you guys in the beginning, when these cards came out up top with the romance deck, I told you I picked up on a new soulmate coming in. And yeah, this is a good person. It's something for a lot of you. I don't feel like you met this person yet, but maybe you have. Maybe, you know, they came in, because we are kind of in the middle of June right now. So regardless, when this past person comes back, they got competition. I feel like they were shown this other man or this other woman, whatever the situation is, and they got to hurry up. See, they know they got to hurry up and clear away these obstacles, because, yeah, you're about to get snatched up. They weren't listening to their intuition, because, see, in the past, they were being sneaky. This person was definitely being sneaky, and this is why they're afraid you're not going to take them back. What are they back and forth with? 9 of Cups, and there's a Page of Swords. Okay. They're saying that they definitely want things to improve with you, but they're feeling like it may not, because they were being sneaky. And this person, they've been keeping an eye on you. This person has been watching you, because right now, they've been trying to make a decision on how to remove themselves. See, could have been a family situation or some, you know, an individual from the past, but they're having a hard time right now. Why? Because they feel like you don't want to be with them due to what they did in the past. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. This person is stuck. They're going through some type of karma. I feel like they want to know the truth. They're trying to figure out if you're going to give them a chance, because right now they're stuck trying to make some type of decision, and they're not taking a leap. Ooh. Somebody's in a codependent situation. They tried to jump out. So that lets me know, even with justice here, that could be a simple fact, like they're in some type of contract with someone else. Whether it's like business, there could be like a legal situation, it could be anything. But I'm seeing that there is a third party here. See, even the way justice and judgment align, there could be some type of contract or a legal situation. But I do feel like they want to celebrate with you. They want to have happiness with you. If there was a legal contract or some type of legal situation, I feel like this person's going to be celebrating, because there's some type of outcome that worked out in their favor. But anyway, they're going to be making a decision, but they feel like you don't want to be with them. But the seeds they planted with you, they want them to grow, but see, they had you waiting around. They were running in and out of your life. for a while. And see, this is why they're afraid you're not going to take this offer. This person was being a player. Okay, so even though, yes, they're going to balance things out, but they're trying to clear away obstacles first. So this person chooses you. They want to make it right. See, they're making plans to come towards you, Aquarius. This person definitely wants to have a new opportunity with you because they do want things to improve, okay? Let's see. They do not want you to walk away. I'm seeing they're coming out of feeling stuck. They're going to have the confidence to come towards you because this person wants a commitment with you. This person can see themselves marrying you. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Taurus. But right now, even though, yes, they're confident about what they want, the issue is there could be something financially going on with this person where they're like, okay, I want to make sure financially wise I'm okay. Maybe this person, you know, was fronting like they had everything going for themselves and they were, you know, flexing online, but they were going through things behind the scenes. And, you know, right now they're not happy. They're not happy with how things played out, see? Because even the way this card came out, it's like they're trying not to be frustrated, but they really are. I can't make this up. They took a financial loss. I told you, this person was flexing. Somebody took a financial loss getting out of some type of situation that they were in, and they're trying to heal that. What did I just tell you? This person is freeing themselves from a situation that they were in, that they took a financial loss, you know, and they're like, okay, I got to get myself out of this situation. I'm not happy. I want to be with Aquarius, a cross watcher. If you're dealing with Aquarius or you were, this is how they're feeling about you. But I see this person being single, getting out of some type of situation. Why is the Queen of Pentacles here? Queen of Wands. See, there are two women here. I told y'all, there are two women. They were in some type of situation. Somebody was money hungry. Somebody was coming after them, or they were dealing with someone who only wanted to be with them or be around them because your person provided for them, financially speaking. So they're getting away from this person, but they're looking at you like, I really messed up. He or she is the person that I want to be with. And like I told y'all before, y'all know how I feel about my court cards. I have two women, but it could be two men, so just take it however it fits. This person's going to come back, and they're going to give you an offer. Look at that. Oh, there are a lot of people here. You see this? Oh, there are a lot of people here that's been standing in the way, guys. This is the problem. But this person, I'm seeing this person wants to marry you. They're having a hard time because they were in some type of situation with someone else. There's been some type of blockage here. See, that's why there was little to no communication. They're having a hard time with this. Okay. So they're not positive right now. You know what they're going to do. Because right now they don't have a happy home. Yeah, somebody's going through it. But they're going to end up making a decision. Okay. Yep, they're coming out of feeling like they lost you for good, and they're coming back to turn things around. But see, even the way the Wheel of Fortune just jumped out, it's like they're still going through their lessons. They're still going through karma, and they're coming towards you. They'll get out of it. The cycle's going to be completed, but not just yet. See, didn't I just tell y'all they're going through lessons? They're sitting back thinking about everything that they've been through. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, but they're going to have the strength to come towards you. And I'm seeing that they're coming out of feeling, you know, lost in their thoughts, in their head, because they're going to put in the work if they want to have this reconciliation with you. They have to do what they have to do. Because, see, they did leave you out in the cold. They want to make it right, you know. But because even with the devil, the way it came out, it's like they're trapped in their thoughts. They need to get out of their head. This person is still having a hard time getting out of some type of situation that they put themselves in. And because they keep going back and forth, even though, again, I'm saying they're going to get out of it, they're feeling like, you know, things may not improve between me and Aquarius. See, I may not be able to have a new beginning with him or her. See, Aquarius, cut me off. Somebody could be dealing with, sorry if I didn't say it. If I did, I'm going to say it again. Capricorn, somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio, but they feel like you cut them off for good because they didn't do right by you. They didn't balance things out. And this is why they're not talking. You know, they're not saying anything because, see, I told you, they're feeling like you're not going to take the offer. They're feeling like you're looking at them like they can't bring any type of stability in your life. And that's why they're also working hard on making sure they have everything together on their end. So even though, yes, they made this decision that they're going to come towards you, they're feeling like because I was being immature and childish, because I started a lot of unnecessary conflict with this person, you know, due to the fact that I was in a codependent situation, he or she doesn't want to be with me. Somebody was definitely dealing with like a karmic soulmate. I'm telling you, they were in some type of toxic cycle. And this is why they're afraid that you don't want to have this victory with them. So they're coming. They're wanting to move forward with you. Could have been dealing with a Cancer. But I'm seeing that They want to heal things because they know they stabbed you in the back. They want to make it right. But they're back and forth with the Knight of Swords. See, it's like they're wanting to rush in to show you that they can bring stability in, but they're still taking their time. There was some type of control here. And I'll be honest with you, I feel like this person was very manipulative, but I am picking up somebody was being controlled on their end with someone else, whoever they were dealing with. Very manipulative energy here, and this person is letting go. You know, it's like they're breaking free. See, they're going through a tower moment right now. And see, yeah, somebody could be dealing with an Aries, somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, somebody else could also be dealing with a Sagittarius. But I feel like this person is losing hope because they're realizing the situation that they put themselves in, and they're like, okay, if I come back to Aquarius, Aquarius is gonna let me go because I didn't do right by him or her. Ooh, try to come on. Yep, they didn't balance things out. See, that's why the way the Lovers came out, could be dealing with a Gemini, but yes, this person loves you. They want to make it right, you know, but they're afraid that you're not going to give them that chance. And see, this person is moving really slow to come and give you this love offer. So they're coming, Aquarius, but they're still taking their time. See, this person wants a family with you. You're their wish fulfillment, but they're feeling like you don't want to build with them anymore because they repeatedly hurt you. And they're unsure if you're going to open up and talk to them or not. Oh, this is good. So let's see. Let's just see what advice Spirit has for you guys. Alright. Spirit, so the energy that I just picked up on, what advice do you have for Aquarius? Top 20 cards. What advice do you have for Aquarius, please? Bottom of the deck, I have the Three of Pentacles. So Spirit is saying things will improve for you. So let's see. But you guys are like, nope, he or she left me out in the cold. I'm still feeling like